What's up? Welcome to the channel. Today is Monday. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning. Beautiful day out here in Las Vegas. Going to be taking my C8 Corvette out. Going to go meet up with a subscriber, and he's bringing out his C7 Grand Sport. So we're going to have a little bit of fun, hopefully get a few roll races in. What's up, man?
How you doing?
Good. And how do you pronounce the name? Sean?
Sean.
Sean?
Sean.
Nice.
Jason, right?
Yes, Jason.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you as well.
Sorry, I was kitchen little see, it's a long day.
No, I hear you. Man, this is a nice looking.
First time seeing it in person.
Yeah.
I saw one when my car got serviced, but.
All right, so we're going to do a little roll race, possibly at 50 miles an hour, and also a 30-mile-an-hour roll if we get a chance. These cars are pretty similarly powered. This C7 Grand Sport has the LT1 V8. 460 horsepower, I believe. And now this car is a little bit lighter than the C8, but this car has, I think, about 35 or 40 more horsepower. Now, if we were racing from a dig, you know, it'd be pretty clear that with the dual clutch transmission and everything, this car would probably leap ahead a couple car lengths and probably stay that way. But doing a roll from 30 miles an hour or 50 miles an hour, I would imagine it's going to be very close. Whew! Man, that was pretty fun. What do you think? Kind of sucked that we had a bunch of traffic at the beginning. I didn't think we were even going to be able to do it. But
yeah, definitely. Glad we found some up in the road.
Right. That was pretty cool. I thought it would be a little bit closer than that, but the C8 did pull pretty good. Both cars pulled pretty strong. I kind of expected the C8 to have a slight advantage. Pulled on it on the Grand Sport a little bit more than I expected, but all in all, good race. I figured you guys would want to see, you know, how the C8 stacks up against the C7 Grand Sport. I mean, you can't take anything away from the Grand Sport though. This is arguably one of the best handling Corvettes out right now when you're talking about power, weight, traction, stuff like that. Fun car. All right, thanks again for coming out today, Sean. I mean, that was a lot of fun. Hopefully we'll go hang out and do some drives again some more sometime.
Always.
Awesome, thanks. And that's about it for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. If you're checking in for the first time, please subscribe and have a great day.